Google Docs allows you to save any document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, or form as a template. And they're available in the Templates gallery. If you are using Google Apps for Education, you can create specific templates for your school's gallery. If you're just in a regular Gmail account, it will be shared to the public gallery. But if you are logged in to a Google Education account, you're only going to be able to put things into your school's gallery. There's two different ways to add a doc to a gallery. From your Docs menu, you can click on any doc and go to More. And under More, there's things, here's another way you can go back to sharing if you want. We'll get to some of the other features as well. Here's another way to download it. But here, Submit to Template Gallery. And since I'm logged into my schools, it's submitting a template to the Adams 12 Template Gallery. Here's the name of it. If I by accident chose a wrong doc, I could choose a different item. You can enter a description. I'm just going to say, oh, it's a practice guide. You can select a category. So if someone wants to go searching for it, you can select a category. So I'm just going to put this under business forms. You can select another category and you can connect a language. One thing that you want to do when you are creating a template is make sure that you're specific with directions about the template. Okay? Teachers can allow students to create predetermined formats for bibliographies or book reports or presentations. Okay? Administrators could create a standard format for reporting absences, grades, behavior logs. And remember, it can be used by multiple people if you want to save it as a template, and the template will stay the same. So if you want any kind of descriptions, you can add it here. If I click Submit Template, it sometimes takes a few minutes, so don't freak out, because it does take a few minutes when you're submitting the template to the school domain. That's what it says in the directions, believe it or not. So I'm going to show you the other way that you can also do templates. If you're in Documents, when you click on Create and pick From Template, that's a way to get into templates that already existed. So here's Template Balance Sheet, March Mentor Log by Peggy Law, the ESC. So these are different templates that have been put into my school's domain. So this is a way you can find templates, Adams 12 templates. So if you're looking to use a template, you can also go to Public Templates. I know I'm supposed to be showing you how to put it in, but just while we're here, here's all the public templates, a family budget planner, a circles resume. You can narrow them by what types. Do you want to look at spreadsheet templates in the public templates? Do you want to look at presentation templates? So before you go make a template, you can look into other people's, either in the public templates, or if you're in a school account, it'll say your school district's name, like ours, Adams 12 templates. And my template hasn't come up yet. Your template has been saved and should be visible in the template gallery momentarily. So don't freak out if it doesn't appear. But here's another way. So you can go in here and you can click Submit a Template and go to Choose from your Google Docs. Then you can pick anything. So I could say, oh, I want to pick my to-do list as a template and hit Select. Same thing, then submit the template. I'm not going to submit this template because it's not necessary. So once again, to use templates, either submit them or find one you want to use. Create from template. Here's the place, the links you can search through the different kind of templates you want to use. You can narrow them by type. So let's check out all the public forms. A Contact Us website form. I want to use the template. I could click Use this template, or I could click Preview to actually see what the template looks like. I recommend clicking Preview because what if you don't want? So here's this contact one. All you have to do is click Use this template, and it'll open up the template for you to use, and you can edit it just like you can edit anything else. We'll get into forms and editing and stuff later. So templates can be really useful. So once again, public templates, narrow them by type. You could narrow them by category, Look at all the different categories that you have. Let's look at students and teachers. There's resumes and cover letters. You never know what you're going to find in the public one. Remember, so this is how you find them. So just say I want to look for a resume or cover letter. So, okay, that's in a foreign language. So remember with public, like I said, you're not sure what you're going to find. So there's lots of different foreign language ones as well. So you can click preview, perceptions of motivation for student set. Use the template if you want to use the template. And once you've opened it up, it is now in a Google Doc and just your regular Google Doc, just like you created it yourself. So if you want to submit a template this way, here's submit a template, and you go through the same steps. I hope you get it. Templates can be really, really, really useful tools. But remember, when you are creating a template, that you really need to make sure that your information is clear, your instructions are helpful for those who use the template, provide cues for how the document is formatted. And remember, your original stays there and it's just making a copy. Now, you can update or remove your template if you want by going into your template gallery. And hopefully, let's see if my template is up yet. We'll have to come back in just a minute because I want to show you a feature in that. You can share your template with others once the template is there. And you can do, I'll show you how to share it as soon as my template comes back. While we're waiting for the template to load so I can show you how to share it and update it, notice in my home I have two new documents, copy of Contact Us and copy of Perceptions and Motivations. Those were the two templates that I chose to use. So when someone uses one of your templates, it's going to come up as copy of. You can then change it. I can check off, and here's some things you didn't see. Under the More menu, I can rename and I can get rid of copy of if I want, or whatever I want it to be. So once you use a template, it appears in your home as copy of.